So I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Clip 5 to other speakers in a stereo setup. Now, to do that, a couple of things you need to do. So first of all, turn on your speaker and connect it to the primary device, okay, which is usually your phone. And of course, you also need the JBL Portable app setup. So let me just launch the JBL Portable app. There you go. So you need to have the JBL Portable app, which is free of charge on either the Google Play Store for Android users and the Apple App Store for iPhone users. So once you've paired your speaker to your phone, and of course you've set up the JBL Portable app, what you need to do now is on your speaker, press the Auracast button. Now this pairs with other speakers via Auracast, so it's gonna only pair with other speakers that have Auracast. So there's an Auracast button there, so you just press it, and once it's pressed, then now you can go to the other speaker that has Auracast, make sure it's on, and then press the Auracast button, and those speakers should get connected in your stereo setup. Now you'll see all the speakers that are connected here. So you can see my JBL Clip 5 is already here. Now any other speaker that has Auracast, when you press the Auracast button, it's gonna get connected to this one, and then you can play the same music on all the speakers. All right, now older JBL speakers do not have Auracast. They have the older technology, but the newer ones have Auracast. So it's important to know which speaker you have and what technology it uses to pair to other speakers. All right, the Auracast ones will have this Auracast icon, this one, okay, this one right here. Thanks for watching and good luck.